Text is an essential element in video making, and the video creators would often put efforts into text design, figure out the text size, position, font, spacing, color, and other attributes to bring different looks to different videos. Well, thus in this series, we will walk you through how to design and edit your text in travel videos, the vintage look fashion videos, and also some content narrative videos. Well, today we will show you how to do the text design and layout in a travel video. And if you're interested in this one, keep watching. In some beautiful landscape videos, you can often notice a one-line title. Well, a title like this is usually presented in a small space and a centered sans serif font to make the image more cinematic. But you may ask, what is a sans serif font? It is a commonly used font without any corner decoration and is relatively more mechanical and rational. While in contrast, the serif fonts are then characterized by the edges and colors decor, and thus would come out more elegant. We will give you a more detailed demonstration of the use of the serif font in our next fashion video. And now, let's back to today's topic. Open VideoProc Vlogger. Create a new project. Import the footage we filmed into the software. Drag it into the video track. Now let's start making the text part. Find the text icon in the toolbar. Click on it. Adjust the duration to the length of the video. Go to the inspector in the top right. Add a text content. Find a suitable sans serif font for it. Adjust the font size. Then click on the center icon in alignment. Use a show or high layout rectangle at the bottom to help adjust position. Then adjust the chart space in the space area. Increase the font spacing. Scroll down to the text shadow. Remove the shadow to make the title look clear. At last, we'll add appear and disappear animation to the title here in animation area. Here is a preview. Isn't it great? Of course, the use of two-part titles in travel videos is also very popular. Yet, the most important thing when using it is to bring the contrast between the main heading and subheading. Well, to achieve this effect, drag the video into the video track in VideoProc Vlogger. Click on the text icon first. Add a text content in Inspector. Select a good font and reduce the font size. Enlarge your word spacing. And also added a rest of its properties. Then, click on the plus icon on the far left of the subtitle track to add a new subtitle track. Click on the text icon again. Add the text in Inspector. Choose a different font. And enlarge your font size a little. Similarly, enlarge your word spacing. At last, add the rest of its properties. Now we can adjust the position of the two texts in the preview window in turn, based on the composition of your image on the screen, to make the text appear in a more suitable layout. And now here, we have a 2-text header with a nice contrasting design. Alright, that's all for today's video. And in our next video, we will explain some of the commonly used text forms and layouts in fashion and vintage look videos. And anyway, don't forget to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we will see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!